From now, I would like to change the following code that is using callback function to the code uses async/await function. First of all, let me explain the original code that is using callback function. This code starts with calling the function getWeather. The function getWeather calls the function named callWeatherAPI with passing the callback function as the step 2. This function is calling API to get the weather data, and if it succeeds, the callback function is executed with the passed weather data. Finally, as the step 5, the callback function writes the console log with the current weather of Tokyo. By the way, this part is just for the confirmation to show the asynchronous processing is executed. Like this, it is possible to execute the procedure after the asynchronous processing by passing the callback function. Let's check this program by executing in the browser. Open the developer tools of Chrome. As expected, it is executed based on steps, and the console log at the very end of entire code is called before getting the weather data from API. This is because the step 4 and 5 are executed asynchronously. Now let's change this code to use async/await function. At first, change the function getWeather to the asynchronous function, by adding the async before function. Change the comment to because getWeather is the asynchronous function now, so it is possible to use a wait statement, in order to wait for the result of called function, and get the value returned by it. This statement is not necessary anymore, so delete it. Because it is possible to wait for the procedure of step 3 and 4 now, I can write the procedure of step 5 here. This function is not necessary anymore, so delete it. Because this function is called with await, it is necessary to return the result of promise. Callback is not necessary anymore, so change it to resolve that is the result of promise. In the case of error, return reject with the error object. Review. GetWeather is the asynchronous function that calls function with await, and pauses the process until the function returns the result of promise. The function called with await must return the result of promise. If it succeeds, it returns resolve with the data taken from API. If it gets error, it returns reject with the error object. Let's check this program in the browser. Oops, I made a mistake, and something wrong with my code. I was forgetting the bracket at the statement of catch. Try again. Now the error is disappeared, and the program is executed as expected. I could successfully replace the method of callback with async/await method. Here is the comparison of code among codes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check my other videos and subscribe this channel, if you like.